This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Maria Pashkudis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Despite a slew of rate hikes and a mini banking crisis, the U.S. economy has not edged any closer to a recession, defying yet again predictions of a sharp slowdown. Instead, business activity seems to be on the rise in April. The S&P Global Composite PMI, measuring overall economic activity, accelerated to its highest in 11 months, suggesting little lasting impact from the banking turmoil on the real economy. Yet, Fed tightening expectations barely budged after the data, which merely reinforced the recent shift in view that rate cuts are less likely, but that the Fed will still likely pause after the May meeting. The Fed bets largely unchanged after the PMI data. The U.S. dollar has been drifting slightly lower since Friday. Although the Fed's message that the odds of a rate cut this year are remote is slowly sinking in, other central banks have also been keeping up with their hawkish rhetoric, most notably the ECB, and this is hindering the bullish dollar bets. Eurozone PMI numbers were also broadly better than expected in April, though the slump in manufacturing deepened. There was a similar picture in the UK, but the euro appears to have picked up a bit more momentum than the pound from the flash PMIs, most likely due to the ECB's very hawkish language. There are more important data releases on the horizon this week, including preliminary GDP estimates out of the United States and the Eurozone, and the PCE inflation readings on Friday. Both the Fed and ECB meet next week, so the incoming numbers might prove to be crucial. Also on the agenda on Friday is the Bank of Japan's policy decision, which will be the first under new Governor Kazuo Ueda. However, all the indications are that any shocks will be saved for later in the year, and no surprises are anticipated this week. The yen has been on a downward path during April, as expectations of a policy tweak have been scaled back. In equities, European markets are mostly in the red today as U.S. futures slipped after a subdued session on Wall Street on Friday. However, things should liven up this week as Microsoft and Alphabet report their earnings tomorrow, with Amazon's results coming up on Thursday. This is today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us. XM.com.